Join me as I dive into the challenge of revolutionizing military tech using AI. Can I come up with groundbreaking ideas that could change the game? The integration of artificial intelligence in military technology is transforming the way we approach defense and security. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, predict outcomes, and automate tasks is revolutionizing various aspects of military operations. This shift towards AI-powered military tech is not just an upgrade. It's a complete overhaul of traditional methods, making military operations more efficient, precise, and effective. Military forces have long faced challenges such as outdated technology, which often hampers their ability to respond swiftly and effectively to threats. Traditional decision-making processes can be slow, relying heavily on human judgment and manual data analysis. This delay in decision-making can be a significant disadvantage in the fast-paced world of military operations. Moreover, the reliance on manual data analysis and outdated systems can lead to inefficiencies and errors. The need for enhanced decision-making capabilities has been a pressing issue for military strategists. Furthermore, the complexity of modern warfare requires more than just manpower. It demands cutting-edge technology that can provide real-time insights and predictive analytics. The military's dependence on legacy systems has been a significant barrier to adopting more advanced, AI-driven solutions. However, there's a growing recognition of the need to overcome these challenges and embrace the future of military tech. By leveraging AI, military forces can gain a strategic edge, making their operations more efficient and effective. The integration of AI in military tech comes in various forms. Autonomous drones, for instance, are being used for surveillance and targeted strikes, reducing the risk to human soldiers. Predictive analytics help in making informed decisions by analyzing vast amounts of data to predict enemy movements or potential threats. AI is also enhancing cyber defense mechanisms, making it harder for adversaries to launch successful cyber attacks. These applications showcase the versatility and potential of AI in transforming military operations. Another significant application is in the development of smart systems that can assist in strategic planning and execution. AI algorithms can process information from various sources, providing commanders with real-time insights that help in making swift and effective decisions. The use of AI in military tech is not just about automation. It's about enhancing human capabilities and ensuring a strategic advantage over adversaries. As we look into the specifics, one example stands out: the use of AI in enhancing mission success rates. The use of AI in autonomous systems has been a game changer. For example, certain AI-powered drones can now carry out missions with a level of autonomy that was previously unimaginable. These drones can identify targets, avoid obstacles, and even make decisions in real time, all without direct human intervention. This capability has significantly changed the way missions are conducted, making them more precise and less risky for soldiers. The impact on operational efficiency and effectiveness has been profound. The integration of AI in military tech has shown that it can significantly enhance mission success rates. By providing real-time data analysis and predictive insights, AI systems enable military personnel to make more informed decisions under pressure. The ability to automate routine tasks and focus on strategic objectives has also been a major advantage. This transformation is not just about technology, it's about the people who use it. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI's role in military tech will only continue to grow, offering new possibilities for enhancing defense capabilities. What are your thoughts on AI in military tech? Share your insights in the comments below. If you're interested in more content on how technology is shaping our world, check out my other videos for deeper dives and analysis.